Hello everyone, myself Mohit Kaushik, your friendly neighborhood ServiceNow MVP. Today we will discuss on a specific type of related lists. For a recap, a related list displays the records from another table that are linked to the current record on a form. They do appear at the bottom of the form. For example, you have a change request form. Once you open it, you see the related change tasks at the bottom of the form. That is your related list. Now, let's understand a little complex one. You need to create a related list on a particular form where there is no direct relationship between the two tables. For example, you want to display the requests created by same caller on an incident form. Now, the incident and the request form, they do not directly connect with each other, but we have a common field. We have a common reference. So on an incident, we have a caller ID, which is a reference to user table. And on a request form, we have a requested for field, which is again a reference to user table. Now, with the help of this reference, we create a scripted relationship. Let's, without delaying, let's dive into the relationship working part. So we have our navigator. We have typed relationship over here. We click on relationships under system definition. Let's click on new. Okay, let's give it a name. Let's select the table on which we want to apply this related list. So in that case, it will be an incident. And there is another field called queries from table, the table from where you want to query the data. In that case, it will be a request. Well, to search it more easily, now we have a field called query with. That's a script section where you need to write your script condition. How do you want to create this relationship in between these two tables? So that's quite easy. All we need to do is current dot add query, and let's pick the fields with, with which we want to create this relation. So first will be the field from the table where you're performing the query, which is requested for. The second field will be from the parent table, which is the caller ID. Let's verify if we have any spelling mistakes over here. Everything looks fine. Let's submit this. All right. Now let's go to the incidents. Let's look for the incidents where the caller is system administrator. For example, the first incident in our list. Now we do not have a related list which displays the requests. So let's try to configure them on our form. Here is our related list, requests by same caller. Let's save it. And we can see our requests, which is created by system administrator. Thank you.